Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best gadget of all time. Today I am going to make video on ingenious inventions of this year. Please watch the full video, subscribe the channel and do like and share the video. Manufacturer's Project Silica is a technology that stores data in quartz globe class wafers. It may sound like something as of a science fiction movie, but it's a real and functional invention developed by Microsoft. They mention that a small 75x 2 mm quartz plate can hold up to 75.6 GB of data. They use a laser to create tiny three-dimensional patterns and record data to retrieve it. They've developed a system based on artificial intelligence algorithms. These plates can withstand scratches, magnetic fields, and even boiling. The data stored on them can last for approximately 10,000 years. Microsoft suggests using these plates in cloud. Eazeye plays a valuable role in envisioning future gadgets. It can sketch and describe almost anything, including hoverboards. While it might sound amusing, there are already quite a few working hoverboards out there. Take this one, for instance, created by LEXUS in 2015. Did the future arrive back then? And we missed it, unfortunately. Not. LEXUS used a little trick to make it work. They had to build a unique skate park with metal plates under the surface. The hoverboard itself contains strong magnets and superconductors chilled to 197 degrees C using liquid. Many folks wish to bring not just their stuff, but their entire home when moving. Well, New Zealand company Tid Rostad or TRT has trailers designed just for that. One of these trailers can extend to a whopping 23 meters in length and boasts an impressive weight of 58 tons. They also come with double axle steering and a torsional box system that increases strength by 40%. Additionally, each wheel has its own hydraulic jack, allowing the trailer to lower to ground level or be raised to a height of approximately 2.8 m. The operator can control the trailer using a remote music control. Meanwhile, the American company Matador offers this compact stuff sack that can be attached to your keychain, priced at $17. It's designed for people who frequently visit the pool or beach. Before taking a dip, you can store your smartphone, wallet and other items that should stay dry in the stuff sack. After your swim, it's ideal for holding a swimsuit, swim trunks and other damp items. The stuff sack has a capacity of 2.5 liters and weighs just 23 grams. It's made from nylon with a silicone body for the case, and it includes a stainless Hey, relief for people who spend long hours in front of a computer has emerged from Hong Kong. Local inventor Louis Hang has developed a monitor that relies on natural light for illumination when viewed from the front. The 24-inch monitor appears like a standard one. However, on the back, Hang has added a light collector and reflector. Of course, It's not suitable for working in the dark without an extra lamp. But during the day it's a win for both your eyes and your wallet, as the monitor's power usage drops to just 4 watts. The inventor has found success on Kickstarter and intends to ship the monitors to backers next year. The price for a monitor is $569.